Hi, happy campers. Coming at you from my floor in my house. Today I'm going to be making something for my van, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, happy campers. Yay! That you are here. So I have this little backboard that I built for the van, and my couch sits in front of it, and then when it's in bed mode, it sits in front of that. So it's my backboard for my couch, and it's my headboard for my bed. The couch, when it's in couch mode, is super deep. It's 30 inches deep. And so I got to scooch way back to get up to where the board is. Well, I decided I wanted to put a cushion there. So this is my old bed that I had in my original van build. It was 6 inches of very dense foam. Do you see him? He's going to worm his way all the way through. Hi, Pumpkin. What are you doing? So anyway, this was the sheet that I just had safety pinned around the mattress that was in my van build. So what I did was I went out and I took a tape measure and I measured from the top of the headboard to right where the cushion sits, and it's 10 inches. So this is 10 inches by just about 24, and it's 6 inches deep. What I'm going to do is I'm took this sheet, I put it on the floor, and I'm just going to cut out around it, and I'm not even going to use a sewing machine. I am just going to whip stitch this together. I'm not sure if I'm going to put Velcro on the back to keep it in place up there, or if I'm just going to tuck them in and just remove them when I'm ready to go to bed, or I'm not sure what I want to do yet about that. I may put Velcro on there. We'll see. We'll see how it goes as we go along. You made it. You made it through the armhole. Hi. What's he doing? Oh, what's he doing? What's my Baba's doing? What's this what my Baba's doing? Hello. You going to help me sew? Are you going to help me sew? Huh? Are you? Yeah. 2-year-old kid. All right, let's get going. Pull this in here. Bring that right there. And stick a pin in there. I don't do things like other people. In case you haven't noticed. Superbly unique is how God made me. So then this is the side that's already got a hem built into it. So again, I'm going to tuck this edge over here in a little bit, bring this up so it looks smooth over here. Can you see what I'm doing? And then I'm going to bring this up just to right here. Tuck that in. There we go. And I'm going to stick a pin there. I don't know why I'm aiming that pin towards me. That's silly. I guess I want to poke myself. There we go. We'll do the same thing over here. I don't want to poke myself. There we go. I don't like to hurt myself. It's not any fun. And now I'm going to fold it over like that. I'm going to tuck this in. So I'm just going to shove some pins in here so that when I whip stitch these together and I pull the pins out, then it'll be all good. Just stick one up here. Same thing on this side. So that is put together enough so I can take a needle and thread and sew around it. And this is what it looks like from the front side. I don't have any white thread, so I really don't care. I'm using cream colored. I'm going to pull some off here and cut it. Okay, my needle is threaded. Got through it on the first time, and I've put a knot in the other end, so I've got 2 threads going. So what I'm going to do is just start right here at this corner. And I mean big whip stitches. These do not have to be close together or any of that. I'm only catching the sheet. I'm not going after the foam underneath it. The pins went into the foam, but that's okay. It helps to stabilize it. And then over here, we're going to go down this way. No, we're going to keep going this way, and then I'll come back over here and grab it with another piece of thread. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep whip stitching this, and I'll show you when I'm all done. My cushion has been sewn together. Okay, so now I'm just going to make the other one, and I will have my two cushions for my seat. And I'm debating on whether I want to put Velcro on here so that they'll stick to the sidewall in the van. So there you go. This is my little DIY for my van to add some more comfort to the area. This one is more the traditional. I didn't have to use a triangle to get it done. So I've got it pinned, and now I'm going to sew it. You know, you forget when you use a machine all the time to sew how really kind of relaxing sewing by hand is. So there's what that one looks like. Sweet! Got my sofa, my couch is in L-shaped couch mode right here, okay? So this is like really deep, 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 deep. So this is what I'm going to do with these. So what they're going to do is just sit like that. So there you go. Much better with this back here. I love my van. I just am so excited. I can't wait to do a meetup with everybody. I love this van build. I love this van build. I really, truly do. This thing is just like, this is like being in my house. Only better. Look at this floor space. I mean, my gosh. There's floor space in front of the footstool right here. I just absolutely, this is awesome. This is so comfortable. And I've even thought about if I didn't want to flip it into bed mode, just like maybe I'm tired and I want to take a nap in the afternoon when I'm out there, I can actually sleep like this with it in the L shape. I just curl up. But yeah, I just love this. I love all the floor space in here. And what I love more is all the storage space under every cushion. It's just the bomb. Here we are from, it's really warm outside. Holy mackerel, it's almost hot. It's just the cutest little place. Thank you, Lord, for the idea. Well, everyone, it is adieu. It is adieu to anything else in my van being done. This is finished. It's finished. And I'm so happy. I love the turnout. I really do. Leave a comment below what you think of this turnout with this van. I hope some of you will implement this. I think that it can be a game changer for a lot of people out there. We've got plenty of storage, a wonderful place to sleep, a great place to have your kitchen in the back. You've got your room up here. Yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed these van builds. I really appreciate your viewership while I've done each and every one of them. And I don't know where I go from here. We'll find out. We will find out. All right, everybody. Peace out. I love you all. Take care and happy Easter tomorrow because today is Saturday, Sabbath. All right, everybody. See you next time.